Hi, thanks. Welcome again to this video. Here we are talking about greenhouse gas effect. Because we mentioned it somewhere, we want us to really know what all these key terms mean. We are saying greenhouse effect is a process that occurs when energy from the planet's host star goes through its atmosphere and warms the planet's surface, but the atmosphere prevents the heat from returning directly to space, resulting in a warmer planet. Greenhouse effect is a process that occurs when energy from the planet's host star goes through its atmosphere and warms the planet's surface, but the atmosphere prevents the heat from returning directly to space, resulting in a warmer planet. That is the definition. The light arriving from the sun passes through the Earth's atmosphere and warms its surfaces. The light arriving from the sun passes through the atmosphere and warms its surfaces. Light comes from the atmosphere and then warms the Earth's surface. Now, as it tries to escape, greenhouse gases say, no, you're going nowhere. The warmed surface radiates heat. It is saying the light arriving from the sun passes through the Earth's atmosphere and warms its surfaces. Then the warmed surface radiates heat, which is absorbed by the greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, causing the earth to grow warmer over time. So this heat that is reflected and wants to escape is caught, is not allowed to escape. Methane, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, all those, nitrous oxide, and other chlorofluorocarbons. They keep them around. Therefore, Earth making the Earth the temperatures in the Earth's atmosphere to grow warmer over time. That's greenhouse gas effect. Now, enhanced greenhouse gas effect leads to global warming. Global warming is actually enhanced greenhouse gas effect. Greenhouse gases trapping sunlight. When it comes from the sun, it is reflected by our earth, our black body. Now, the little that is reflected is denied access to escape to space. It stays within and keeps warming the Earth's atmosphere. Now, enhancement of that, more of this trapping of this reflected heat, more of its trapping, and it stays within the Earth's atmosphere. It leads to global warming, which is also affecting most of us. Global warming now, Earth's temperatures rising. It is because of greenhouse gas effect. Now we are talking. Now we leave that. We are talking about now the effects of climate change. What are the impacts? What does climate change bring about? This topic we are talking about. Then the next time we are going to talk about now the remedies or climate action. Now we are going to get to grass now, real grass, because that is our major focus now. But this is just an introductory part. Now we are going to talk about two, then we go for break, and then in our last video we will have finished. Now, one of the effects of climate change is hot temperatures. As greenhouse gases, hot temperatures, that is an effect. They trap heat within, so you will feel hot, my friend. As greenhouse gases concentration increases or rises, so does the global surface temperatures. Yes, when they increase, even the Earth's temperatures, the global temperature has also increased because the more of it, the more they prevent it from escaping. And here research says the decade between 2011 to 2020 or 2020 is the warmest in record. More severe storms, extreme rain events. This is the second one. The second effect is more severe storms. We are actually now in Africa and other parts, we are receiving prolonged periods of rainfall and even prolonged periods without rainfall. You predicted it to rain for this period. December, according to our calendar, is supposed to be a dry month or a summer, according to those will be. But now, December, it can rain January, February. Then in March, where you expect rainfall, back then when we were growing up, sunshine comes and it heats up to August. Then late August, it starts raining. Changing seasons, changing severe storms, leading to too much rainfall. The more the gases, the more the heat, that means there will be more clouds that will be formed in the atmosphere. The more the clouds form in the atmosphere, the more we receive precipitation or rainfall. And once we receive a lot of rainfall, there is flooding going to destroy crops, displace people's homes, and cause other destroy property. So that is what extreme weather events or extreme severe storms cause. The other is, of course, there are severe storms. They are talking about extreme rain events, cold events, cyclones, and hurricanes. In our next video, we are going to talk about the third and the others. Thank you for watching. Please watch the next. I thank you a lot. Thank you for following these videos. Kudos to whoever is following. I thank you a lot, brother.